So I saw a video online where someone replaced their garage door rollers, and they said it makes the noise a lot less. So I wanted to try it. Apparently the nylon is supposed to be like, the same material rollerblade wheels are made out of. Alright, so I'll just start with this. It was 11 millimeters. One down, 9 to go. So I have all the top parts done on the left side. I'll get to the bottom one last. I believe on those videos, because of this cable attached to those bottom wheels, you want to do it with the garage up, so the tension on this won't be so strong, but we'll see. But I did end up switching to my drill, and this made it a lot faster. But if you can look over here, this shelf is kind of blocking me from getting to those screws, and I don't feel like moving that shelf. So I'm going to attach this swivel, and hopefully that'll give me some room to get to those. So here's the bottom wheels that you need to watch out for because of the tension. But you can see here, the garage door up, the tension is real loose. But as a warning, it's kind of hard to read, but this says the bottom bracket cable and the spring assembly are under extreme tension. Do not loosen or remove any red painted fasteners. Do not paint over red fasteners. All repairs must be performed by a trained door system technician. Severe injury or death can occur. So you may not want to do this, but I did one side already. Here, and everything went okay. I'll do the other side now. This is with the bracket loosened. You can see the tension is not there really since the garage door is up. So now I'm just going to replace the wheel and attach everything back together. Me personally, waste of money. I didn't hear a difference. The wheels probably need a replacing anyway because how old the house is. But you be the judge. It may be slightly quieter going up than going down, but still this garage is using the chain. And I know some of the modern versions, or I'm assuming modern versions, they use the belt driven, which is probably a lot quieter. But all in all, they were replaced. Maybe that'll buy some more time. But here's the wheels that were replaced. You can see some wear on the wheels. Nothing too extreme. Still sounds like the one we replaced it with, far as not being like a rubber, but being more of a hard plastic steel. Not like a rollerblade wheel. Like this. This feels way softer than those wheels up there. Mission complete.